Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price was this morning, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed at the end of the day, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move today. However, this does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, fake breakout type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $5.70. Why is $5.70 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 570. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not only that, a pretty big old range. I mean, the price was stuck down below 570 for quite a while. So the last thing you'd want to see is the price going back down there. Whereas let's say the price does actually pull back a little bit. So the price, shows a little bit of, weakness. However, in this case, behaves like that. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have some lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as $5.70. Overall, though, I want resistance levels. I mean, they matter, but they don't matter, because as long as the price builds higher bases and builds higher bases and builds higher bases over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So just focus on building higher lows, and then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. But yeah, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.